What's behind the swift global rise of China's NEVs? The Chinese new energy vehicle industry is rising at a remarkable pace worldwide. In 2023, China exported more than 1.2 million units of NEVs, a year-on-year growth of over 77%, according to data from the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers and China Passenger Car Association. Between January and November 2023, Chinese NEVs captured 62.6% of the global market share, reaching more than 70 countries and regions, including Australia, Japan, Singapore, and Europe. Moreover, countries known for their automotive prowess, like Germany, Japan, and Sweden, are increasingly becoming key export destinations. What propels the global ascent of Chinese NEVs? Technological advantage. Currently, China has achieved a leading edge in manufacturing and innovation within the NEV sector. The cornerstone of NEVs, the battery, symbolizes a strategic advantage for nations adept at producing them cost-effectively and efficiently. China is at the forefront, producing virtually all the world's lithium iron phosphate and the largest share of separators, essential components for battery production. These materials are not only cost-effective, but also bypass the limitations posed by the scarcity of rare minerals. This necessitates collaboration with Chinese firms for companies worldwide, especially American ones keen on lithium iron phosphate, given their production expertise. Additionally, China's automotive manufacturing boasts unparalleled automation levels globally, illustrating the immense benefits of a comprehensive and integrated industrial ecosystem. These advantages endow Chinese NEVs with distinctive competitiveness, paving the way for their relentless and widely acknowledged global expansion. Created in China is swiftly becoming a preferred choice worldwide, and in the future, Chinese-produced NEVs are expected to shine even more brightly on the global stage.